The course that I created is how to use Zoom effectively as an educator. Educators will go through modules on how to create their Zoom room, to Zoom tools, to how to use breakout rooms for small groups, and so on and so forth. The module that we're going to look at today is Zoom tools because this is where I did my interactive game called Zoom Tools Escape Room. So students will go and they'll click on the Zoom Tools Escape Room within Canvas, and it'll pull up the game within Canvas for the students to play it there, or they can download it. I'm actually going to switch over to the download so that you can see the game a little bit easier. There is voiceover, so I'll let you hear the voiceover in the game. But the objective of the game is to basically learn about the different tools that Zoom has that you can use to engage students. And the students or learners for the course will have to identify what those tools are used for through different questions, and then they'll be given a code for each question that they answer. They'll give a letter to the code that will unlock the room so that they can then be crowned king or queen of Zoom at the big game. So here, let's go into it now.
Welcome to Zoom Name That Tool Escape Room. Name that Zoom tool escape room. Rules for the game. Each player will be given different questions or situations that may happen with students in a virtual classroom. Players will have to name tools that answers the question or would be helpful in the situation to get students to engage in the lesson to gain the code to be able to escape the room. Players will progress through the game until they can identify all the tools that can be used in Zoom virtual classrooms and find the code that will unlock the room. If a player cannot identify the correct tool, they will be given hints to help them to identify the tool and can retry. Time and points are important to be crowned Zoom tool king or queen. The first and the person with the most points to complete the escape room is the winner. When you're ready, click start.
Okay, so really it's just to kind of go through. They'll be given a score at the end of the questions being asked, and then they will continue with the Zoom code.
Hi. In Zoom during virtual class, there are many tools we can use to engage students or allow students to indicate understanding. Today we will learn about a few. We are locked inside this classroom. You have to find the code to unlock the door so we can get to the big game and be crowned Zoom tool queen or king. Let's go. Here's our first question about Zoom tools. We need to answer to get the first part of the code to get out of this classroom. Let's look at this one together. Here's our first clue. What tool allows you to show your screen to others in the virtual classroom? Type your text here and then press enter.
So there are very many options that the student can type in there and get the correct answer. I tried to add as many as I could. But if the student would say they misspelled and hit enter, this is what would happen.
Sorry, you are incorrect. Please try one more time. Review the Zoom Tools video if needed. Hint, you want to share your screen.
So then they could go back and try again, and this time if they would get it correct.
That's right, you selected the correct response. Here's the first letter of the code, Z.
And then we continue.
Here's our next clue. What is the tool that allows you to start smaller groups?
So again,
Sorry, that is incorrect. Please try one more time. Review Zoom Tools video if needed. Hint, you are breaking into small groups.
So again, I misspelled, but let's say this time I spell.
That's right, you selected the correct response. Here's the part of the code to open the door. The second letter is O. Here's our next clue. Here's a situation that you want students to be able to show you what they know by completing a math problem that you give them. What tools or tool can we use to have students engage to show their work on the math problem?
So if they choose the wrong one here, they would then they have to use a check mark down here, and it actually tells them to do that. Um,
Sorry, that is incorrect. Please try one more time. Review Zoom Tools video if needed. Hint, it's a writing tool.
so students get 2 times to try to get it correct, and if on the 3rd time they don't get it correct, they will actually be advanced.
Sorry, you did not select the correct response. Review the Zoom Tools video and quiz at the end for correct answers. Here's the letter for the code for trying though. The 3rd letter is O.
So again, I still want to give them the code so that they can be successful in the end. So that's why they
Here's
only
our
get 2
last clue.
choices.
Match the tool to what it does to engage students in Zoom virtual classrooms. Only one definition works for each word.
So we kind of had a couple questions that warmed them up, and then this last slide really they have to be able to identify all the tools and what they do and go through and match them to the correct one. If they can't, then again, they're going to lose points. So I'll just select these really quickly because we know that chat allows people to talk without and give input without disrupting. The waiting room is, oops, where they can wait before class starts. Reactions, they can raise their hand, give thumbs up. The whiteboard is, of course, where we can write and annotate. There it is. Breakout rooms is where we can do small groups. Polls, where you can get feedback from students anonymously and participating. This is where the teacher can see who's all in the class and control mic and videos. So we'll make sure they're all correct.
That's right. You selected the correct response. Here's the part of the code to open the door. The 4th letter is M.
So hopefully the student
Good job.
remembered.
Here are your results. I hope that you had a passing score. Please go back and review the quiz questions to make sure you know the correct answers before moving on by clicking the next button.
So again, you see we didn't get a passing score because we missed a couple questions a couple different times. And then they can go back, they can review the quiz to make sure that they know the right answers. And again, you can see all the different options that they could have put in for the correct answer, what the correct answer is on that one. And then the last one,
here's our last clue.
Gives
Match
us a
the tool to
voiceover.
what it does to engage students in Zoom virtual classrooms.
And then you can go to the next one, which...
Yes! We did it! We have the letters to the code. Now all we have to do is enter them and we are free.
Okay, and I made it simple.
Did it. Now we have the code, so just type the code here and then press enter. And we'll be home free.
I made the code simple. It's just Zoom. So again, if they were just paying attention that it started with ZOOM, they could probably even guess it if they got to this point.
That's right! You put in the right code. You have opened the classroom door. Let's go to the game. Congratulations! You are the king or queen of Zoom Tools. Good luck with the rest of the course.
So again, it's just a way for the students to interact. They can learn about the different tools, use the knowledge they learned from the video, the article, and then go in and use it during the discussion, because now they can talk about the tools that were used or can be used during Zoom. So they gain the object, which is knowing what all the Zoom tools do during Zoom lessons.